friends, welcome back to Whiskey and Wit. I'm Whitney, and today's video is going to be a Fast Friday DIY. We're making these adorable Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby inspired kind of Easter blocks, so stay tuned. So here is what you're gonna need to make these cute little blocks. I also will link the DIY for this little farmhouse bead set up above that I did earlier this week. So you're going to need 3 of these block signs. There's a ton of square signs at the Dollar Tree, so you don't have to use these particular ones, but these I just recently saw, so I wanted to use these. I like the farmhouse look. So step 1 is to remove those words. It's super simple by using some nail polish remover. This came off so easily. Then you're going to want to take whatever shapes that you're going to use and paint them first white. Then you're going to want to create your different colors for the actual plaid. So you're going to need a white base, a middle color, which is white plus your darker color, and then for your squares, you're going to need a darker color. So here I've got, for example, white, pink with white, and then just the pink. Step 1 is to paint vertical stripes that are equal distance apart onto your wood cutouts, and I use tape to really space those out so that they are equal to me. Then once those dry, peel off that tape, put it aside, and then tape the same thing horizontally and give those a paint. You're going to want to put that tape right back where you pulled it off when you created your vertical stripes. So what I suggest is if you're a little intimidated by this, mark the tape, so then that way you have an X where the tape goes back on, so even with the paint over the top, you know where that tape goes back. And then also you have the same size tape and the same piece that you used before. When I go to put the tape back on, you can see that where the paint has been, so it kind of helps you figure out where to put it back. I use it as kind of a little tool. And then you're going to take your third color, which in this case is just purple straight out of the bottle, and paint the squares that are exposed, and that will give you the final step of your buffalo plaid. Then once you peel off the tape and everything has dried, I just took some hot glue and stuck these right onto the sign. If you want them to have a little bit more of a 3D element, you could put some foam or something between the block and the wood piece, so then that way it pops out a little bit, but I like how this turned out. These are such a quick and easy project. You could also do like a bunch of these to spell out Easter, spring. You could honestly do a ton of different options here, but they're so easy to put together, and these literally look like a Kirkland's or Hobby Lobby dupe to me. Thanks so much for watching. I love creating these Fast Fridays for you. I like giving you a couple options in my traditional videos, but Fast Fridays are nice. You can grab those projects if you're hankering for a quick craft project over the weekend. Be sure to share your creations if you do recreate them. I love to see stuff on Instagram. Also follow me over there for all of my updates. I also post every time I post a new video, so you can just swipe up and check that out over there. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good weekend. Bye.